Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Did you guys know that Five Below sells these stacking pumpkins and you get all three in a pack for only $5? So yeah, be sure to run to Five Below and see if you can get your hands on one because I know those go pretty quick. I did pick up the one that has like orange themed, but I know they have a black and white one. So if you're going to do black and white themed, you definitely want to pick up the black and white one. But I know I was going to use like lighter colors, so I didn't want to get the black one. But my daughter did pick these colors, by the way. And I forgot to tell you guys, I did upload an Amazon and Walmart deals in my other channel. So be sure to go to that channel and check it out. Yeah, I'll put the link to that channel down in the description. So be sure to go and subscribe there because that's where I'm going to be uploading future videos. But let's get on with this DIY. First, you're going to take this pie pan and this what is this called, the ice buckets, and we're going to E6000 them together. First, I don't have it here in the video but what you want to do is add rocks to the bottom. I ended up forgetting to add rocks inside the ice bucket and had to add it later on into the pie pan. So if you forget, just like I did, it's fine. Just go ahead and just try to remember, of course, because you do want to weigh this down so that way your topiary doesn't tip over. So I'm going to apply E6000 on the rim there of the ice bucket, and I'm going to put the pie pan on top. Remember, E6000 does stick out to seal, so just let that set overnight maybe until it's completely dry. While that's drying, we're going to paint our pumpkins. Remember, my daughter's the one that picked the colors for this, so yes, but it still turned out pretty nice. So I went with the top one with white, and the middle one is going to be pale blue by Craftsmart, and the bottom one, I believe it was purple. I don't have the color for you, but I mean, it's purple. Now I'm going to, after they're completely dry, I'm going to take this gold metallic paint and I'm going to paint the stem. I don't have gold acrylic paint, so I just went ahead and sprayed a little bit of this onto a piece of paper and just painted the stem with a paintbrush. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell because I have really cool ideas coming up for you. Now, once everything is dry, we're going to take our E6000 one more time and we're going to glue our, like the biggest pumpkin onto the bottom. Of course, you're going to stack the pumpkins and then have them glued onto the pie pan. You can also spray paint your pie pan. I forgot to mention I spray painted my ice bucket and pie pan in the color black. But I didn't need to spray the top here because that's going to be covered with sunflowers and the pumpkins themselves. So if it's going to show, you just be sure to spray paint the entire thing. But yeah, so I just wanted to remind you to place the rocks right there in the pie pan. So that way it weighs it down and it doesn't tip over, of course. So I'm just going to place that down and then I'm going to start to decorate. I know the colors that I have here might not be everyone's style, but I do love to have my daughter pick the colors once in a while and basically decorate the house on her own. Like, she helped me paint those pumpkins. So definitely take the idea and just make it your own. Now I'm going to, like I said, add some decorations, sunflowers, garland. What else can you add? If you want to make this scary, you can add skeletons hanging onto the side of it, or if you don't even decorate for Halloween or fall season, I have another idea for you for this. So go ahead and pick up those pumpkins still and give this one a try. This snowman right here, I made this last year using pumpkins, or you can give little Gingy here a try. And I made these using pumpkins as well. I'll put those video links down in the description so you can go check them out. If you don't want a topiary or you're done with fall decoration already, Those are other alternatives and they turned out super cute. But I definitely love how this one turned out. It's very simple and it was super easy to make. So definitely give it a try and let me know what you think. And if you're going to try the snowman or the gingerbread man, let me know down in the comments which one are you going to do. I'm just curious. And remember, I'll put the links down in the description for the other YouTube channel and other videos for you. So everything is just an easy click for you. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.